Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to add numbers. So there there is a table. You can see there's a column name and expense. So there are two methods where we can do a sum of these numbers. So one is using formula sum and another method is using auto sum. So firstly, I'll show you quickly how to use first method. So we just simply click in the cell and we say is equal to sum, and then you double click on the sum formula and then you select the range and press enter. You will see the total over here 475. Now the second method is using auto sum, which is another more quickest way to get the sum out of the figures. So you say you will keep pressing alt tab and then press is equal to, and the system will automatically select the range, and then you just simply say enter and it will give you the total of 475. Another visual, if you wanted to have a visual look, you can just simply select the range and you can see in your screen on the bottom right hand side corner, you can see the sum of 475, count is 4, and the average is 118.75. It's just a quick visual look if you want to have a look. It's a pretty simple trick. Use it, and please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much for your help and support.